Today, we're diving into how OpenAI's Codex can elevate your business integrations, especially when compared to ChatGPT. While ChatGPT handles conversations, Codex is all about connecting systems. With Codex, you can integrate third-party apps, plugins, and APIs, turning your business tools into a seamless ecosystem. And if you need custom coding, Codex can turn your instructions, your text, directly into code. Stick around, I'll show you how Codex can link your business tools and even turn your text into websites, presentations, quotes, read and send emails, build your website, and even manage your social media content. Most people think AI stops at answering questions or generating content, but with Codex, you're moving beyond conversation and into automation. Imagine this, you run a business, you've got emails coming in, customer forms being filled out, bookings being made, payments being processed, and different platforms that all need to talk to each other. Normally that means hiring developers, managing integrations, and spending weeks building systems. Codex changes that. Instead of manually writing everything from scratch, you can literally describe what you want in plain English. For example, connect my website form to my CRM, automatically send an email confirmation after a booking, create a dashboard that tracks incoming leads, integrate Stripe payments into my website, and Codex starts generating the code for you. This is where AI becomes more than just a chatbot. It becomes a technical assistant that helps build the infrastructure behind your business. Instead of spending hours searching forums or debugging basic functions, you can focus on strategy, creativity, and scaling your business. And the real advantage, you no longer need to be a professional programmer to start building powerful systems. That's why tools like Codex are changing the game for entrepreneurs, startups, and even established companies. Once your systems are connected, you stop relying on constant manual input. We're moving into a world where business owners are no longer limited by technical skill. They're limited by imagination and execution. That shift is massive. And the people who learn how to combine conversational AI like ChatGPT with coding AI like Codex are going to have a huge advantage. Alright, so let's walk through Codex from absolute scratch as if you're setting this up for your business for the very first time. The first thing you'll notice when you open Codex is that it feels more project focused than standard ChatGPT. Instead of just opening random chats, you can create actual projects. That means your conversations, workflows, files, integrations, and tasks all stay organized inside one workspace. Because once you start building automations, connecting tools, and managing workflows, you don't want dozens of disconnected conversations scattered everywhere. You want one environment that understands the context of your business. So the very first thing we're going to do is create a new project. Now, in this instance, I'm going to create Tom's marketing agency. Inside that project, Codex starts acting more like a technical operations assistant rather than just a chatbot. Now, the next thing you'll notice is that Codex is designed around integrations and workflows. Normally, getting all these systems connected is complicated, but with Codex, you can literally type instructions in plain English like connect my website lead form to HubSpot, create an automated follow-up email workflow, integrate Stripe payments into my onboarding process, build a dashboard to track incoming leads, and Codex starts generating the structure needed to make that happen. Now, one thing I want to make very clear, you do not need to be a professional developer to start using this, because modern AI coding tools are becoming text-to-code systems. You explain the outcome you want, and the AI handles most of the technical heavy lifting. That is the shift that's happening right now. Alright, so let's build a business from complete scratch using Codex. The business we're creating today is called Tom's Marketing Agency. And what I want to show you is how quickly AI changes the process of building a business when you combine planning, branding, automation, and coding together in one place. So the first thing I'm going to do is head over to the left-hand sidebar and click New Project. You'll notice straight away that Codex is organized around projects rather than just conversations. That's important because everything we build for this business, the branding, automations, integrations, website code, and workflows can all stay inside one organized workspace. So I'm naming the project Tom's Marketing Agency. Now, once the project opens, you'll see the main workspace area appear in the center of the screen. And this is where we can start giving Codex instructions in plain English. The first thing every business needs is branding. So at the top, inside the prompt area, I'm going to type create a modern luxury style logo concept for a digital marketing agency called Tom's Marketing Agency. Use black, white and subtle purple accents. Clean, premium, modern design. Now watch what happens. Instead of needing to hire a designer immediately or spend hours brainstorming concepts, AI starts helping us generate the direction instantly. And this is the first mindset shift people need to understand. AI is massively reducing the time between idea and execution. Now, once we've got the logo direction sorted, the next thing I want to do is start planning the actual business infrastructure. So over on the left-hand side, I'm going to create a new workspace section called Website Build. Create a modern homepage layout for Tom's Marketing Agency with a hero section, services section, testimonials, pricing section, and contact form. Now watch this carefully. Codex starts generating the structure, components, and layout logic automatically. This is the part that would normally require a web designer, front-end developer, copywriter, and project manager. But now AI is helping us do this step by step inside one workflow. Now, as the code and structure begin appearing on screen, notice how everything is organized into files and sections automatically. You'll see things like hero section, pricing cards, contact form, nav bar. This is where Codex starts feeling less like a chatbot and more like a technical business assistant. Now, the next thing we want to do is connect business systems together because a real agency needs leads coming in automatically. So now I'm going to type create a lead capture form that sends inquiries directly into a CRM and automatically emails the customer confirming their inquiry. And this is where AI coding becomes genuinely powerful for business owners. Because instead of manually learning integrations, APIs, and back-end workflows, the AI starts building the foundations for you. Now, obviously, you still need to review things, test things, and understand the systems you're deploying. But what used to take weeks can now start being prototyped in hours. All right, so now that we've got the branding and homepage structure started, the next step is turning this into a functioning business system, because a website alone is not a business. The real power comes from automation. So I'm now going to create another section called Client Onboarding. This is where we start building the systems that actually run the agency behind the scenes. Now think about what normally happens when someone becomes a client. You get an inquiry, you reply manually, you send onboarding documents, you collect payment, you schedule a call, you gather project details, you create tasks for the team. That's a lot of repetitive work. So now I'm going to ask Codex to automate that workflow. Inside the prompt box, I'm typing create a client onboarding workflow for Tom's Marketing Agency. When a lead becomes a client, automatically send a welcome email, onboarding questionnaire, Stripe payment link, and Calendly booking link. Now watch how quickly this starts coming together. Codex begins generating the logic for the workflow, showing how these systems can connect together automatically. And this is the moment where business owners start realizing AI is not just helping create websites, it's helping create operational systems. Now, over on the right-hand side, you'll notice new files and workflow structures appearing automatically. You'll start seeing references to email automation, webhook triggers, API integrations, client data handling, payment processing. This is the technical infrastructure of a modern business being built through plain English instructions. Now, the next thing we're going to do is add an AI assistant to the business. Because one of the biggest opportunities right now is combining conversational AI with business automation. So in the next prompt, I'm typing create an AI assistant for Tom's Marketing Agency that can answer FAQs, qualify leads, and book discovery calls automatically. Now, this is where things become really interesting, because instead of just building static websites, we're now building businesses that can actually communicate with customers automatically. And this is why AI is changing entrepreneurship so quickly. The barrier between idea and execution is collapsing. Now, don't worry if you're seeing APIs, webhooks, integrations, and all this technical stuff appearing on screen right now. This is exactly where AI starts helping with the heavy lifting. You do not need to understand every technical connection immediately to start building. The important thing right now is understanding the workflow and what's possible. We'll break down the deeper technical setup step by step in part 2, where I'll show you exactly how these integrations actually work behind the scenes. Now, this is where Codex becomes incredibly powerful for marketing businesses because instead of manually building every landing page, form, email sequence, and automation separately, we can start creating an entire lead pipeline from plain English instructions. So, inside the prompt box, I'm typing create a lead generation funnel for Tom's marketing agency with a landing page, free consultation form, automated email follow up, and CRM integration. Now watch this. Within seconds, Codex starts structuring the system automatically. You'll notice it generating landing page sections, call to action buttons, lead capture forms, follow-up workflow logic, email automation triggers. And this is where businesses start moving faster than ever before, because instead of spending weeks coordinating developers, designers, and automation specialists, AI is helping us prototype the entire system inside one workspace. Now, another important thing to notice is how everything stays organized inside the project. We've now got branding, website structure, client onboarding, lead generation workflows, all being managed inside one AI assisted environment. This is why project-based AI workflows are becoming such a huge advantage for businesses. All right, so now that we've got the lead generation system in place, the next step is building the actual service delivery side of the business, because generating leads is only half the equation. Now we need systems that help us manage clients, tasks, communication, and results efficiently. So I'm creating another section called Client Management Dashboard, and this is where we start building an internal business system. So inside the prompt box, I'm typing create a client dashboard for Tom's marketing agency where clients can log in, view campaign updates, upload files, track progress, and message the team. Now this is where Codex really starts feeling like a software development partner, because instead of manually planning databases, front-end layouts, user authentication, and dashboards, the AI starts generating the structure automatically. You'll notice new folders and files appearing for user login systems, client portals, messaging sections, progress tracking, file uploads, notifications. This is essentially the beginning of a custom SaaS-style platform being built in real time. And think about how powerful that is for small businesses. A few years ago, building a custom client dashboard like this could easily cost tens of thousands of pounds. Now, AI is helping generate the foundation in minutes. Now, another thing I want you to notice is how I'm not writing code manually. I'm focusing on outcomes. I'm describing what the business needs, and Codex is helping translate those ideas into technical structure. That is one of the biggest shifts happening in business right now. And this is where I want to wrap up part 1, because what we've built already is honestly kind of crazy when you think about it. We started with absolutely nothing. No website, no branding, no onboarding systems, no lead generation pipeline, no client dashboard. And step by step, using AI assisted workflows and Codex, we've started building the foundations of an actual marketing agency inside a single project workspace. We created branding, we generated website structure, we built onboarding automations, we connected lead workflows, and now we've started building a real client management portal. And this is the shift I really want people to understand. AI is no longer just about generating text or images. We're moving into a world where AI helps people build operational businesses faster than ever before. Now, obviously, this is just the beginning. In part 2, we're going deeper into the real power stuff: AI employees, automated customer support, lead qualification systems, calendar booking integrations, Stripe automations, CRM connections, email workflows, webhooks, APIs, and full business automation setups. This is where we start transforming a business from a simple website into an actual AI-powered company infrastructure. So if you want to learn how to build smarter businesses using AI tools, AI integrations, automations, and modern workflows, make sure you follow, subscribe, and turn notifications on, because part 2 is where things start getting seriously powerful.